Hi everyone, welcome to another Score A tutorial. Um, Without wasting so much of your time, let's see what we have today. This question is talking about an equation of a line passing through 2 points. Remember, we earlier from the previous video we proved the formula to look for the equation of a line passing through 2 points. So in this tutorial now we want to see how we use this formula to solve examples. So this question says find the equation of a line passing through 2 points A, -1, 1, and B, 2, -1. So we can assign x1, y1 to A and x2, y2 to A, which x1, y1, x2, y2 are the coordinate of the x and the y axis respectively. So without wasting so much of your time, let's go ahead and solve this. So the equation of the line is y minus y1 equal to m, which is the gradient, into x minus x1. See that? So we can go ahead and look for m first. So m is equal to the gradient, which is change in the y-axis, or about the change in the x-axis, which this is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So this will give us y2, you see, is -4 over there. So -4, and y1 there is -1. X2 is 2 minus -1, which will give us -5 over 3. So that would be our gradient. So we can go ahead now and substitute the gradient m and x1, y1 into our formula to see the result. So if we do that, we will have y minus y1 is 1, which is equal to m, which is -5 over 3, into x minus x1 is -1, so we minus -1, so that we have y minus 1 is equal to, so we use this to multiply that and this to multiply this. So remember, minus minus is positive, so we have -5 over 3 x. So this is positive, so that -5 over 3 times +1 will give us -5 over 3. So since we have this, we can add 1 on both sides, so that we have y is equal to -5 over 3 x. So if we want to solve this, we have 3 times 1, which is 3. So we have -2 all this divided by 3. Yeah, -2 over 3. So we have that. So we have -5 plus 3 is -2, so over 3. So this is our equation, the equation of the line. So you see that the gradient is -5 over 3, and the y-intercept c is equal to -2 over 3. Remember, the general equation of a line is y equal to mx plus c, which m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. If at all you come across a problem like that, you can as well, state the y-intercept and the gradient. Well, thank you. I think that is it. Thank you for watching the video, and if this question helped you in any way, subscribe to help the channel. Thank you.